That's what I got done so far on the Odyssey. Got both tires off, cleaned the stator up. I'm going to go ahead and paint the stator plate black just because I ain't going to go ahead and polish it up knowing that it's going in the engine. So I just painted it black, making it nice. Got the rust off of it. Got the new set of points on here. Got all this cleaned up. There's 3 wires. I don't remember there being 3 wires on my old stator. This is a point style, not the CDI. The CDI actually has 4 to 5 wires, so this is 77, and I did get the harnesses all off because they're corroded in the tank, temporary fuel tank I had. And I did get some harnesses. These were my harness, so I'll probably put these black ones on. Look pretty good. I'd like to go to odyssey TV and order the aluminum tank. And see that I am ordering right now a brand new McCuney VM28 for it. That's going to make it run real good. I'm probably just going to go ahead on Reliable Aftermarket Parts and find a 6-volt light and put that there, because the original light, if you find one's not in the greatest shape, and rather get a brand new 6-volt light and put it on there. So that is what's new with the 250. So hit that subscribe button. Waiting on some parts for the 50. And that guy here, but I think the seals in here, or the gasket in here, is gone because it's leaking this oil. Go ahead and check the gear oil on this. Yeah, just right at top almost. I always have a heck of a time putting this stinking. Don't want to cross thread it. The heck? No, I'll just leave that like that for now. And also, I found a luggage rack for this, because that's what these holes are here. This is for a luggage rack. Honda made for these, and I found one. It's like $600, but that'd be a really nice add-on to this. And I found the hitch plate, the bolt on here, which has another $200, so $700. But well, then I'm probably gonna get some brand new side plastics. Probably restore this middle part, because you can't get that part. No one makes it aftermarket yet. I'm not going to restore this at the moment, but I am probably going to restore it. As you see, underneath of it, there's a lot of rust and rock chips and all types of stuff. So, almost. That's how far I can get on. It's right at the edge of the table, because the cage right there. I took the cage off, which I do got to do if I can get that gas tank. But I don't know. So, hit that subscribe button, comment. I'll catch you on the next one.